The calorie deficit required to lose weight depends on several factors, including your current weight, height, age, gender, activity level, and weight loss goals. However, a general guideline for weight loss is to create a calorie deficit of approximately 500-1000 calories per day. To estimate the calorie deficit needed to lose weight, follow these steps. Determine your basal metabolic rate, BMR. This is the number of calories your body needs at rest to maintain its basic functions, such as breathing and digestion. You can use online BMR calculators that take into account your age, gender, height, and weight to estimate your BMR. Consider your activity level. The more active you are, the more calories you burn. Estimate your daily activity level, such as sedentary, lightly active, moderately active, very active, or extra active, and multiply your BMR by the appropriate activity factor to calculate your total daily energy expenditure, TDEE. Set your weight loss goal. Determine how much weight you want to lose and in what time frame. A safe and sustainable rate of weight loss is generally considered to be 0.5 to 2 pounds per week. Calculate your calorie deficit. To create a calorie deficit, subtract 500-1000 calories from your TDEE, depending on your weight loss goal. This will give you an estimate of how many calories you need to consume per day to achieve your desired weight loss. It's important to note that losing weight too quickly or creating an excessively large calorie deficit can have negative health effects and may not be sustainable in the long term. It's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a personalized and safe weight loss plan that meets your individual needs and health goals. Gradual changes. It's generally best to make gradual changes to your calorie intake rather than drastically cutting calories. Rapid weight loss can lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and can be difficult to sustain. Aim for a calorie deficit of 500-1000 calories per day, which can result in a weight loss of 0.5 to 2 pounds per week. Balanced nutrition. While creating a calorie deficit is important for weight loss, it's also crucial to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. Make sure to include a variety of foods that provide essential nutrients, such as protein, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Avoid overly restrictive diets that may lead to nutrient deficiencies. Mindful eating. Paying attention to your hunger cues and eating mindfully can help you avoid overeating and make healthier food choices. Avoid eating when distracted, and listen to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Regular physical activity. Incorporating regular physical activity into your weight loss plan can help you burn more calories and improve overall health. Combine cardiovascular exercises, such as walking, jogging, or cycling, with strength training exercises to build muscle and boost your metabolism. Individual differences. Remember that everyone's weight loss journey is unique, and the ideal calorie deficit may vary depending on individual factors such as metabolism, body composition, and overall health. It's important to listen to your body and make adjustments to your calorie deficit and weight loss plan as needed. Safety and sustainability. It's crucial to prioritize safety and sustainability in your weight loss efforts. Crash diets or very low-calorie diets may result in rapid weight loss, but they can be unsustainable and may lead to health risks. Aim for gradual and sustainable weight loss that promotes long-term health and well-being. Monitoring progress. Keep track of your progress by regularly monitoring your weight, body measurements, and how you feel. Adjust your calorie deficit as needed based on your progress and how your body responds. In conclusion, the appropriate calorie deficit for weight loss depends on various factors, and it's best to work with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to create a personalized plan that fits your individual needs and goals. A gradual, balanced, and sustainable approach to weight loss is generally recommended for long-term success.